Welcome to InvestoSphere, the place where smart people like you come to learn how to make money, grow wealth, and build financial freedom in the digital age. Today's video is something truly special. We're diving deep into the world of digital entrepreneurship. Not just any online hustle, but a scalable, low-investment, high-return business that you can start from anywhere, building an ebook business on Gumroad. If you've ever dreamed of turning your knowledge, passion, or creativity into a passive income stream, then this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start your ebook business from scratch, sell like a pro on Gumroad, and grow it into a long-term income-generating asset. So grab a notebook or open a digital one, because we're about to cover everything. From picking a niche, creating your first ebook, designing a compelling cover, setting up your Gumroad store, pricing strategies, marketing techniques, and even scaling your business. Let's begin. Part 1. Why an ebook business is a smart move in 2025. Let's begin by understanding why building an ebook business is such a brilliant decision in today's economy. The world is shifting to digital. People now consume content faster than ever, and the demand for information in digital format is exploding. Whether it's self-help, finance, fitness, parenting, design, coding, or fiction, ebooks are being downloaded every single second. With a very low upfront investment, nearly no inventory, and zero shipping headaches, an ebook business gives you complete control. It's passive, it's scalable, and once created, your ebook can be sold an unlimited number of times with no additional effort. In addition, platforms like Gumroad make selling incredibly simple. No tech skills needed, no complicated setup. You just upload your product, write a description, connect your bank account, and you're ready to sell worldwide. Part 2. Choosing a profitable ebook niche. Now let's talk about step 1, choosing the right niche. A niche isn't just a topic. It's a solution to a specific group of people's problems. A profitable ebook niche must meet 3 key criteria. It solves a real problem. Think weight loss, productivity, budgeting, learning a new skill. There's an audience willing to pay for the solution. Look for active discussions in forums, social media, Reddit, or Amazon book reviews. You have enough knowledge or research capability to provide value. You don't need to be an expert, but you must offer a solution that is better, clearer, or faster than what already exists. Some of the hottest niches in 2025 include AI and automation tools, personal finance and budgeting, remote productivity and freelancing, parenting and homeschooling, self-development and mental health. Part 3. How to create your first ebook. Once you've selected a niche, it's time to create your first ebook. You don't need to be a professional writer. Here's a simple framework to help. Start with a clear structure. Introduction, problem explanation, solution, step-by-step action plan, conclusion. Keep chapters short and actionable. Use bullet points, examples, and checklists. Use simple, natural language. Don't try to sound too academic. You can write your ebook in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Aim for at least 5,000 to 10,000 words to offer real value. After writing, edit carefully or use tools like Grammarly to polish it. Part 4. Designing a high-converting ebook cover. People really do judge a book by its cover. Your ebook cover must look professional, clean, and clickable. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create a high-quality design. Your cover should have a bold title, a subtitle that promises a result, clean, uncluttered visuals, a color scheme that fits your niche and brand. If designing isn't your strength, you can also hire a freelance designer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Part 5. Setting up your Gumroad account. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to sell digital products. Here's how to get started. Sign up at Gumroad.com. Set up your profile. Add a professional picture or logo. Write a short bio and link your social media or website. Go to your dashboard and click Add a product. Choose Digital Product and upload your ebook PDF. Add a product name and a detailed description that clearly explains the benefits of your ebook. Upload your ebook cover as the product thumbnail. Set a price. You can offer fixed pricing, pay what you want pricing, or even free with optional donation. Choose a custom URL and publish your product. Gumroad handles all payment processing and delivers the ebook automatically to buyers. Simple and effective. Part 6. Pricing strategy for maximum sales. Your price communicates value. Too low, and people may not take you seriously. Too high, and you may lose beginner buyers. Here's a proven strategy. If you're new, price your first ebook between $5 and $20. Add bonuses like a checklist, workbook, or audio summary to increase perceived value. As your audience grows, increase the price gradually. Test different price points and monitor what converts best. Part 7. Marketing your ebook without spending a fortune. Here's where most creators fail. They publish an ebook and expect people to just find it. Marketing is everything. Use these marketing methods. Share on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups relevant to your niche. Start a YouTube channel or blog to share valuable content and link your ebook in the description. Build an email list using free tools like ConvertKit and offer a freebie for signups. Reach out to micro-influencers to promote your ebook in exchange for a commission. Part 8. How to get your first 100 sales. To get your first 100 buyers, follow this system. Share your personal story or struggle that led to writing the book. Offer a limited time discount. Run a giveaway where people enter by sharing your product page. Use customer testimonials and reviews as social proof. Promote consistently for at least 30 days. Don't just post once. Part 9. Scaling to a full-time business. Once you've found your rhythm, it's time to scale. Launch more ebooks in the same niche and bundle them. Turn your ebook into a video course or audiobook. Add upsells like coaching sessions or premium templates. Collaborate with other creators in your space. Invest in paid ads once you know what converts. Part 10. Long-term strategy and automation. To truly make your ebook business passive, use automation tools like Zapier to connect email signups to your store. Schedule evergreen content across social media using Buffer or Hypefury. Outsource customer support if needed. Continue learning about copywriting, digital marketing, and audience psychology. Consistency is the secret. Even small efforts, done daily, will compound into something incredible. Now you have the complete roadmap to building a successful ebook business on Gumroad. We covered everything from choosing a niche, creating your ebook, designing the perfect cover, setting up your Gumroad store, pricing effectively, marketing smartly, getting your first 100 customers, and scaling to a real, long-term digital business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and of course, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth guides like this one. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and keep investing in yourself.